Hello, my name is Baraka, and I'm a Congolese-born boy from Malawi in a small refugee camp called Zaleka. I've been in Australia for 11 years, and I've been in Australia for 11 years, and English is my fifth language. And growing up, learning English has always been hard. Like considering I'm the second born of a family of 10 kids in my family, and at home we always speak Swahili, so it's no English, and sometimes it's my dialect, tribal language, Kifuliru. And right that essay has been like has helped me a lot, like with my conversations at home, especially because I try to speak English at home to my parents, to my brothers and sisters. Even though they go to school as well, I try to speak English to them, help them around, and so we all like engage and know Australia and get to know like the environment around us. So even though English has been hard for me, Write That Essay has helped me with my subjects as well. Let's say, for example, English, of course, because it's a writing tool. It's helped me learn how to write better sentences, for example, power sentences, and when and why sentences, W starts, being more punctual with the writing and everything, because I like science and health. I do a lot of science subjects, and I do math method as well. So writing is not only used in English and humanities subjects. I use it for science, and biology is one of them. I have to write a report, so my teacher would always want me to talk about what happened in the experiment, how can you relate this to the real world. So that's when I have to use like cohesive language and try and make someone who doesn't understand or doesn't do science understand what I'm writing. So write that essay, I use it in my science. For example, compare and contrast sentences, scientific paragraphs, different type of styles I use for my other subjects, especially many people think maths you don't need to write, but you actually do for when you're doing the I1, is it the I1, the assignment report? You need to write a full report, and most math students would think, what do I write? So, and if you write that essay strategies to write, it'll be easy for you to like understand what you're doing, and it'll be easy for you to explain the method behind the diagram, or behind the thing that you created. For example, an equation, you can explain the equation using write that essay strategies. For example, explore the sentence, exploring how you got to the equation and how you got the answer. So write that essay helps with variety of different subjects. It's not only English and humanities. I mean, like my English grades have improved, but also my science grades, chemistry, biology grades have also like raised up high. I used to get like C's and B's in biology and chemistry. Now I'm getting like A's, so it's happy days for me, you know. Yeah. And also with other students, because English being my fifth language, I'm able to like know how to talk to them and engage more with them with these type of like let's say, for example, I can use like a when, why, and how's your day, like type of sentences, and then start talking to someone, and then really engage and actually find out more about them. It's really like a fun thing, or like a fun program for students, because it's not only for writing. It goes with many other stuff as well, and it's a great tool. Thank you.